All right, welcome back, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate that. So I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's happening with the union right now. I made a few phone calls back and forth to the whatever the new member director guy is, his name. I've been working with him and then calling my company once or twice. So what's going to happen is, like, the company already wants me. They already basically gave me my job, but they have to make like a fake opening or a fake call into the union, and then I have to like bid for it, which I still have to research how to do that. I think I have an email from the guy, the dispatch guy or whatever, the guy that I've been calling that I just told you about. Have to check on that, how to dispatch or make a bid or whatever. So they're gonna make a fake call or a fake bid or whatever it's called. I don't even know union stuff, but they're going to make the call or whatever, and then I'm gonna have to hurry and bid on it as fast as I can. Just have to find out what time that they are going to upload it or whatever. I'm not sure how all this stuff works. So once I bid on it, then the job is mine. They already want me. And they don't want anyone else to take it, so they're going to try to make up some weird bid or whatever, something that sounds crazy. I don't know the exact specifics of what they're going to say on it, but hopefully it goes to me, and if not, then I'm not sure what happens. But that's what's happening so far, and I think that pretty much wraps it up. Besides, I do have to go down to the union hall to I think do a drug test, and also there was another thing, I don't know, but when I go to the union hall, do a drug test, and one other thing, yeah, they'll give me like a union slip and then like a clean card, which means that I did the drug test. So I'll take that with me to my like interview at my company or exchange of information at my company the following day, as well as my social security card, my journeyman licenses, I think a driver's license as well. Just some basic information, fill out some paperwork like tax information, bank information, and that should pretty much do it. And then I'll be all set to work on Monday. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. So just going to keep it short and simple. That's where I'm at right now. So hopefully everything works out just as planned, and that should do it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you are interested in more videos about the union and me joining the union and seeing the union side of it, as I've always been non-union. So make sure to stay tuned, to help out the channel. Love to see you guys back here in the next one. Check the description for anything else. Follow me on Instagram at dailyelectricianyt, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. God bless. Peace out.